Now that we're done with the back taper, we can then move on to the side taper and use our gold FX to create our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour this first guideline to the head shape, just so that the fade can flow better. Now we're moving on to our no guard all the way open, and we're creating our second guideline. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way closed and attack that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we could then move on to our one guard all the way open and use the corners as much as possible. Now that we're done using the lever with the one guard, we could then move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Now we're creating our fourth guideline with our 2 guard all the way open. This guard is going to help us use our 1.5 guard and also blend into the top using our 3 guard. Using your 1.5 guard is very important and definitely connects the lower guards to the top guards between the 2 guard and the 1.5 guard. Now we're using our 3 guard to remove any darkness near the corners and connect it to the top completely. Now we're using our gold FX to line up the side of the neck, and also we're going as slow as possible, making sure that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Man, leave a thumbs down below if you think it's crispy. When I line up my C-cups, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. Now that we're done with the C-cups, we can then move on to the top and start off at the middle, working our way to the sides. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a follow down below on the Instagram. Okay, he is tired of his beard, so we're going to knock it down to a 1.5 guard all the way open, which is equivalent to a 2 guard close. When I line up the bottom of the beard, I always start off at the middle and work my way to the sides, and I make sure I go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer. Make sure not to press too hard because you could bite them with the teeth of the trimmer.